Manual print width adjustment for ZD411, ZD421, ZD611, and ZD621 printers. In this video, you will learn how to perform a manual print width adjustment. In this video, I use a ZD411 printer. Your printer may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Your media must be loaded, and the printer must be powered on. Press pause for 2 seconds to enter advanced mode. All indicators will flash yellow. The status indicator will show solid yellow, indicating the currently selected mode is manual media calibration. Press feed once so that the pause indicator is illuminated. The printer is now in manual width adjustment mode. Press pause once to start the adjustment. The printer will print a 16mm 0.63-inch box and pause momentarily. The printer will then print a slightly larger box and again pause. When you see the printer print a box that matches the width of your media, press feed to set the print width. You have successfully set the print width on the printer. Please contact Zebra Technical Support if you need additional help.